Go on, out you get, Mary. You are grabber boats.
Yes, but is it any wonder when these boat boys keep pushing it away from you?
Arthur, you let
Ow!
her get out. Come on, let your mum get out now.
Right, I want you to get rid of your liquor. No, right. Right, stop. There. No, get out of the way. Right, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I don't want to try and get out of the boat without falling off. You could do it without holding my hand. No, come on.
Arthur, come on, I hope you won't get out of the boat. This is ridiculous. It's been 2 minutes now.
Don't push away with your foot. Stop it. Hold my hand. Please. Look, is there any wonder? Okay, Arthur, just hold it out. I've got a phobia about getting out of the boat. No, don't pull me. Get your foot down. Peter, can you come out?
No.
Please.
Just, right, for a start, Seth, shuffle backwards along that bench. Shuffle backwards. Right, now Mary, look, Mary, he's weighted it differently. Just hop out. 1, 2, 3, go.
No! What did they go?